We're talking Adapt IT. Now, this is like a little mini EOH in a way. It's doing all of the same stuff. It's focused on all of the same sectors, clients in the manufacturing, mining industry, education, that means the state. Also quite a nice business in the financial services environment. This one has a enigmatic, I don't know if that's the right term, telegenic is probably better, Sbu Shabalala at the helm. He's a fabulous CEO and he seems to be leading this one forward, upwards and onwards. Market cap, it's a lot smaller. We're talking about 1.15 billion rands, but that's not bad. You'll see the chart in a while. It's done nicely. Price earnings ratio 22.72, and it's paying dividends. I didn't know that, 0.92%. Have I got that right? I mean, Sbu is really one of those guys that makes you excited about being in the South African business environment.
Yeah, and I think he's a good CEO, and I think he understands the space, and he's been doing well. I think what's important with the Adapt IT, Paul, is that they've now got a track record of about 5 or 6 years that's impeccable. All the bars are going in one direction. And the acquisitions that they've made are super fantastic in certain niches. They've got really some really quality businesses in there. So I can't see why they can't continue on this sort of trajectory for the next, say, 2 or 3 years, quite easily actually. They're still small.
Just a question to you, and it's relevant also to EOH, is it not the case that all the businesses out there available to be bought have already been bought? Or is it the case that in South Africa lots of entrepreneurs start businesses, get pretty good, and then are able to be acquired by larger groups?
I think in the case, short answer, in the case of EOH, it is a limiting factor because they need to acquire or let companies join them more and more. But I think in the case of an Adapt IT, they could do one reasonably good deal each year for the next 3 years and get great growth out of that. So because they're so small is why I think it's very attractive. There is an argument against them in terms of the rating and the PE. It just shot up too quickly, perhaps. But it's pulled back quite nicely in the last few months.
Excellent. So we're out of time, but it sounds as though we're giving this one the thumbs up as well. We've cherry-picked 3 companies and we were hot on all of them. Excellent.